Hello everybody, it's Brandon again, and today we are taking another look at FydeOS, because recently FydeOS was updated to version 14.1. I believe this happened on April 2nd. It doesn't say on this page, but I think when I was downloading it, it said April 2nd when this came out. 2022 this is. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. I did a review of FydeOS 14 probably about almost 2 months ago now. And I did get some pushback on that review because it wasn't a glowing review. And one guy even said I was being too political in my review just because I mentioned some of the interfaces in Chinese, which I can't read. I apologize to you, but you know, it is what it is. So I went ahead and installed FydeOS here on my ASUS L210M laptop. It's the same laptop I used for my old review. I normally have ChromeOS Flex on this thing, but for the purpose of looking at FydeOS, I put it on the laptop, and so over the next few days, we're going to be looking at several things with FydeOS 14.1. So last time I installed it, a few things didn't work. My trackpad didn't work, and the internal microphone didn't work. And just like in ChromeOS, the SD card reader does not work. Now, I still have all those same problems with it. So none of that was fixed in this release, which is okay. I do have an external USB microphone that I'm able to use for the purpose of recording, so that's fine. Here is what they say has changed in this update. They fixed non-functioning trackpad on some devices. Again, not mine, but if I have a mouse, so I'm good to go. They fixed non-functioning Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, fixed some issues with Samba, fixed some Android app icons, some Chinese input tool fixed. Anyway, you can see what's all up here. Basically a bug fix release, which is good. If you're having some of these issues on FydeOS, it might be worth a try, and this stuff might work now on yours. Now, in my original review, I did not know how to get Google Play Store working. Luckily, some of you guys called me out on that in the comments, which I thank you for. When I make a mistake, you should call me out. And so I now have the Play Store working on this. This is one advantage that FydeOS is going to have over ChromeOS Flex, which is what we normally talk about on this channel. Android apps do work on this, and Google Play Store is available. And I'll probably do a separate video highlighting how to get this set up and everything like that. But just know, if Android and Google Play is on the top of your priority list, you are going to get that on FydeOS, and it works. Some other things, it comes with the non-Googled Chromium browser, I believe. So it's basically the same thing as Google Chrome. You can still log in with your Google account and get everything. It just evidently doesn't have all the same tracking that Google does, which is fine. Let's go to the settings here. Let me just search for it. And let's go to About FydeOS. Yeah, so this is version 14.1. You can do the Linux just the same as you can on ChromeOS Flex. I haven't enabled Linux on here yet, but I probably will and do a video on that, testing that out. So that's another good thing that you can do. You should be able to have Android and Linux apps. You are able on FydeOS to sign in with your Google account, and when I did, it automatically reinstalled all the progressive web apps that I had on ChromeOS. So if you're wanting to use this, it's really easy to go from ChromeOS Flex or regular ChromeOS to FydeOS. And beyond the things that I mentioned, like the built-in microphone not working and the trackpad not working and the SD card not working, other than that, this is pretty similar to what you're going to find on ChromeOS Flex. I haven't had any problems with it. I've just toyed around with it for about an hour here. You still have your Google Drive, that's all fine. One good thing about FydeOS that you can do, when you're installing it, you can choose which hard drive you want to install it on, which ChromeOS Flex does not let you do yet. And you can also set up dual booting, which you can also not do on ChromeOS Flex. So in a lot of ways, this is a more polished product than you're going to get with ChromeOS Flex. So it's really worth a try. So, like I said, I just wanted to let you know it's been updated to 14.1. I've installed it. It works. Over the next few days, I'm going to be testing a whole string of things on FydeOS. After that, I'll probably go back to ChromeOS Flex. Not because there's anything wrong with FydeOS, but because most people on the channel are subscribed for ChromeOS Flex stuff, so I probably need to keep it installed. But let me know in the comments of this video what all you want me to try here on FydeOS, because I'm going to have it on this laptop for about a week, and during that time I will test anything out that you guys want me to test out on here. So let me know what you want to see. I will certainly do that, and subscribe to see those videos, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.